What are we doing, Phil?
Going up the rope. SRT.
Phil's going to climb the halyard and replace our wind instrument up there that you can see spinning. We're getting sporadic readings down at the helm, and we've purchased a new one. We believe that's the problem. But also, he's taking up a piece of PMI pit rope. And we're going to hang an 11 mil off the front of the mast to make climbing a little easier, because that 3/8 halyard just gives us single rope technique guys the heebie-jeebies. We like our 11 mil. So that way if we have problems with our halyard, we've always got a piece of 11 mil hanging to get up. So have a safe climb, sir.
I will.
Phil is climbing the halyard using a single rope technique called frogging. It's a typical thing us cavers do. And he's got to go to the top of the mast, which is 55 feet off the water. Phil, being the caver that he is, he also ice climbs, rock climbs, all that. Master of single rope technique, is at the tip of the mast, securing the 11 mil, which will be my primary means of going up and down my mast. And like I said, it gives me a way up and down in the event of a failure, so I'm not having to go up the halyard for the spinnaker. And us cavers like 11 mil, I'm sorry. So now he's going to change out the wind indicator. That gives me wind speed and direction on my instrument, and I hope that cures it. If not, then it's chasing out electrical problems, but we'll see. You got her done, Phil?
About.
Cool. And he's headed down.
No, I don't, because I'm not.
Gree-grees and new 11 mil rope don't like each other. You got to break her in.
Okay, well maybe that's just fine. But
Yeah, especially with pit rope, because it's so stiff. You know what I mean? If you run a dynamic rope, 11 mil, it's kind of a different story, but there we go. And no ropes crossed. And no sails kicked. There we go. And swing out a little bit. There we go.
And you're down safely. Thank you. And success. Now our wind indicator indicates direction and wind speed again. Thank you, Philip.
Yeah.